Hello there, my friends. I'm on a brand new computer and I just installed Chrome and it's like, oh my gosh, like crazy bright. So I don't want that. So what do I want to do in order to prevent that? Well, here's what I can do. One way you can do it is you can click anywhere on the desktop, right? In Windows 11, go to Personalize. And then here, there's a menu, it says Personalization. You can go to Colors, click on Colors, and then choose your mode, right? So if I click on Choose My Mode, it'll say change the colors that appear in Windows and other apps. And I go to Dark Mode, right? So now, whenever I pull up a Windows setting, it's in Dark Mode, right? And I think this will work for other apps. So let's pull up Google Chrome. Let's see what happens. Yep, now Chrome is in dark mode. So now I'm not getting a sunburn. All right, if this helped you, smash like, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.